Imagine an IDE that reads your entire code base, writes code for you, runs terminal commands, debugs errors, and even plans features before writing a single line. No, this is not a VS Code plugin. This is Cursor, an AI-native code editor that has replaced VS Code for developers at Stripe, OpenAI, NVIDIA, and Adobe. Today I will show you exactly how to use it by building a real project from zero to finish. No theory dumps. Pure hands-on walkthrough. Cursor is a standalone code editor built by a company called Anysphere. It is a fork of VS Code, so everything you know about VS Code works here. Extensions, key bindings, themes, settings, all of it. But the key difference is that AI is not bolted on as a plugin. It is baked into the core of the editor. Every feature, from autocomplete to file editing to terminal, is designed around AI from the ground up. Companies like Stripe, OpenAI, NVIDIA, Figma, and Adobe use Cursor every day for production code. It is SOC 2 certified, so enterprise security is covered. Let us address the obvious question. Why Cursor when I already have VS Code plus Copilot? VS Code with Copilot is an editor with an AI plugin added on top. They are two separate pieces stitched together. Cursor is different. AI is the foundation of the editor itself. Cursor has its own proprietary tab model. Not GPT, not Claude. A custom model trained specifically for code prediction using reinforcement learning on real-world coding scenarios. Then there is agent mode. This is not just autocomplete. The agent can create files, edit code, run terminal commands, search the web, and even open a browser. All from one chat panel. Plan mode lets you plan complex features before any code is written. And code-based indexing means Cursor actually understands your entire project structure, not just the file you have open. Copilot does inline suggestions and chat. Cursor does full agentic coding with checkpoints and rollback. That is the core difference. Let us talk money. Cursor has a free hobby tier. You get limited tab completions and limited agent requests. Good enough to try it out. Pro is $20 per month. You get unlimited tab completions, extended agent usage, and access to every frontier model. Claude, GPT, Gemini, Grok, and Cursor's own Composer 2 model. Pro Plus is $60 with $70 of API usage included. Ultra is $200 with $400 of API usage for power users running multiple agents or automations. Teams plan is $40 per user per month with admin controls, usage analytics, and SAML SSO. For comparison, Copilot Individual is $10 and Business is $19. But Cursor Pro at $20 gives you a full AI agent, multiple frontier models, and code base understanding. Dollar for dollar, Cursor gives more AI power. Setup takes about 2 minutes. Go to cursor.com and download the installer for your OS. Windows, Mac, Linux, all supported. When you first open Cursor, it asks if you want to import your VS Code extensions and settings. Click Yes. All your themes, key bindings, and extensions transfer instantly. Now open any project folder. The moment you open a project, code-based indexing starts automatically. Cursor reads every file, builds an embedding index, and from that point on, it actually understands your entire repo. Not just the file you have open. The whole thing. That is the setup. Let us start building. The first thing you notice is tab completion. This is not your regular autocomplete that suggests one word at a time. Cursor's tab model is proprietary. Built exclusively for Cursor. Trained with reinforcement learning on the largest dataset of real-world coding scenarios. It predicts not just the next line, but entire multi-line changes. It can jump across files. If you change a function signature in one file, tab suggests the matching changes in the files that call that function. It sees your current task, your recent changes, and relevant files. Just press tab to accept. That is it. The accept rate is significantly higher than any other autocomplete because it is context-aware at a level others cannot match. Agent mode is the killer feature. Press Ctrl-I to open it. This is not a chatbot. This is a full AI developer. You give it a task in plain English. Something like build a REST API for user management with authentication. The agent reads your code base to understand the structure. Then it starts working. It creates new files. It edits existing files. It runs terminal commands. It installs dependencies. It searches the web if needed. There is no limit on the number of tool calls it can make. And here is the best part. Checkpoints. Before every major change, Cursor saves a snapshot of your project. If the agent goes down a wrong path, click any checkpoint to preview the code at that point and restore instantly. It is like version control inside your chat session. For complex features, you do not want the agent to just start coding. You want it to think first. That is plan mode. Press Shift-Tab to switch to plan mode. Now when you give it a task, the agent does not write code immediately. First, it asks clarifying questions to understand your requirements. Then it researches your code base to gather context. Then it creates a comprehensive implementation plan. You can review the plan, edit it, add notes, remove steps. When you are satisfied, click Build and the agent executes the plan. This is incredibly powerful for features that touch many files. Architectural changes, complex refactors, new feature modules. Spend time on the plan. Get it right. Then let the agent build. If the result does not match, revert, refine the plan, and rebuild. Faster and cleaner than trying to fix mid-build. Here is something most people miss. Rules. Cursor has a rule system that lets you teach it your coding conventions. Create a .cursor/rules folder in your project. Add markdown files with your team's standards. There are 4 types. Always apply rules go into every chat session. Apply intelligently rules activate when the agent decides they are relevant. Specific files rules trigger only for matching file patterns. Manual rules activate when you mention them in chat. For example, you can create a Java-style rule that says always use constructor injection, all controllers return response entity, and every service method must have unit tests. Or if you want something simpler, just drop an agents.md file in your project root. Plain markdown. No metadata needed. The agent reads it and follows your instructions. These rules are version controlled. Commit them to Git and your whole team benefits. Context is everything for AI. Garbage context means garbage output. Cursor gives you precise control over what the AI sees. Type at file to reference a specific file. At folder to include an entire directory. At codebase to search your full project using the embedding index. At web to search the internet for real-time information. At docs to reference documentation. You can even paste screenshots and images directly into chat. The AI sees them and uses them as context. Under the hood, Codebase indexing uses a custom embedding model that gives best-in-class recall across large codebases. Even on repos with 100,000 files, the agent finds the relevant code quickly and accurately. Cursor is not just for writing code. It covers the full development lifecycle. Debug mode instruments your code and uses real execution data to pinpoint exactly where the bug is and how to fix it. Not a vague suggestion. An actual targeted fix based on runtime behavior. The terminal integration lets the agent run shell commands directly. Builds, tests, installs, migrations. All from the chat panel. Commands are sandboxed by default for safety. And there is even a browser tool. The agent can open a browser, take screenshots, and visually inspect your running application. If you say my chart tooltips are freezing on hover, the agent can actually see the page, find the issue, and fix the stale closure in your hover handler. Write, debug, test, and preview. All without leaving the editor. Let me walk you through a real build. I open Cursor, press Ctrl-I for agent mode. I type, build a Spring Boot to-do REST API with CRUD endpoints, H2 database, and proper error handling. The agent starts working. It creates the project structure. Controller, service, repository, entity, and config files. All following Spring Boot conventions. Then it runs Maven Spring Boot run in the terminal. If there is a port conflict, it catches the error, reads the output, and fixes the configuration automatically. Now let us say there is a bug. A null pointer exception when deleting a to-do that does not exist. I switch to debug mode. The agent adds logging, traces the execution, finds the missing null check in the service layer, and fixes it. One shot. Then I say write unit tests for todo service. The agent generates a complete test class with mocks, assertions, edge cases. Runs the tests. All pass. That is the workflow. Prompt, build, debug, test. All inside one editor. Before we wrap up, some bonus features that make Cursor even more powerful. Cloud agents run on Cursor's cloud servers, not your machine. Multiple agents working in parallel on different tasks. The CLI tool lets you run Cursor from any terminal, even outside the editor. Script it, pipe it, automate it. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It lets you connect external tools directly. GitHub, Figma, Slack, Linear. The agent can read issues, check designs, and post updates without leaving the editor. Bugbot automatically reviews your pull requests and catches bugs before any human reviewer does. The marketplace has community-built plugins and skills that extend Cursor with specialized capabilities. Subagents run in parallel to explore your codebase, each using the best model for its specific subtask. And everything integrates with Git plus those checkpoint snapshots we talked about. Full safety net at every step. Let us recap. Tab completion predicts your next move with a proprietary model. Agent mode builds entire features by editing files and running commands. Plan mode thinks before it codes for complex features. Rules teach Cursor your team's conventions. Context control with it mentions gives the AI exactly what it needs. Debug, terminal, and browser cover the full development lifecycle. If you are still using vanilla VS Code without any AI, you are genuinely coding at half speed. Download Cursor from cursor.com. The free tier is enough to try it. If you found this walkthrough useful, hit subscribe and I will see you in the next one.